My name is Professor Lisa Brodie. I'm the Executive Dean and I'm going to talk to you about our flagship programme, Global Design Engineering. Global Design Engineering is an interdisciplinary approach to engineering. So you learn all about the different types of engineering and how to bring these together to solve problems. So you'll learn all the different disciplines of engineering, ranging from civil engineering to electrical and mechanical engineering. Our aim is to teach you a breadth of subjects so that you can choose the type of engineer that you want to be. You'll be working in our makerspaces on real projects. You'll be feeling what it's like to be an engineer from the moment you join. We bring industry in to help us design these projects, so you'll be engaging with industry throughout your time with us. Because of the way we teach, you won't have any big lectures, you won't be sat in a big lecture theatre listening to somebody talk to you. You'll be able to learn at your own pace outside of the classroom, and then when you come inside, you'll be working in the makerspaces on your own ideas and your own prototypes and problems. For every part of the course, you'll be working on a live project or a live brief that's come from industry, and you can pretty much tailor that to your areas of interest. We have students working on prosthetic limbs, for example. We also have urban farming, where you stack vertically to be able to farm in an urban environment. Our degree is as academically rigorous as any other engineering degree, but you also get to learn about the other skills you need to become a professional engineer. We call those liquid skills because they're the kind of skills that you need to move into any sector. In Living Lab and user-centered design, you'll use your design thinking skills to put people at the heart of the problem. And you get the chance to go out in the community and identify a real user group and work with them to solve a problem that they have. So graduate engineers from our bachelor's degree have so many options when they finish. The breadth of disciplines that you study when you're here mean that you can choose the type of sector you want to go into. And you will be in high demand because industry's crying out for engineers with your skills. Our students can choose to stay on with us for an extra year and complete the BEng in Global Design Engineering. The reason that's useful is to become a chartered engineer, you need to have studied to master's level. With our accredited degree, that BEng year gives you that partial recognition towards moving towards becoming a chartered engineer. We have a fantastic opportunity here at TEDI-London because we have a relationship with our founding partner, Arizona State, and you've got the opportunity to study your masters with them. In your third year, you undertake a major project, and that is working with industry on a subject of your choice. You get the chance to stay here in London, which is fantastic, or you get to go over to Arizona State University or our other partner in UNSW Sydney. We've had students go to both areas. The choice is yours. As engineers, we want to make sure that we leave the planet better than we found it. I've told you a little bit about our degree, but you really have to see it to believe it. I look forward to seeing you at our next open day.